Here he comes. The professional snowmobiler himself. Good morning, guys. What's going on? We are just getting ready to gear up for our second day here. We're just leaving Hearst. Stayed at the Companion last night. The boys are just getting their stuff together. And then we're gonna go get some gas and hit the trail. All right, guys, so we're just fueling up here and leaving the gas station from Hearst, and we're gonna head out and check the trails. Coming into Hearst last night was a little rough, but we hit a couple really good sections across the trail. I think we put on about 320K yesterday and plans to do about the same today. Alright guys, welcome back to the trail. We are day 2 and just getting on L125. So this is my absolute favorite trail up in Northern Ontario. Again, a lot of the riding up here is fantastic, but I absolutely love this trail. It's a ton of fun. It's kind of on the north side of Kapuskasing. So we were on our way back from our ride to Hearst, which we did yesterday. It's about a 320 kilometer day, and some really good running yesterday. A couple stretches weren't great, but for the most part today has been absolutely superb. I don't think we've had really any trails that have been problematic or bumpy. The conditions have been absolutely superb. So plan right now is we're gonna ride L125, which is kind of goes up and around Remy Lake, and then back down onto the A trail, which we will then hook up back to Moonbeam. We're going to meet our buddies at the clubhouse in Moonbeam, and then we're going to head back to the Westway, again, our favorite spot to stay in Cochrane. So the trails have been absolutely fantastic. So myself in the back here, Kosta in front of me, and Jesse leading up front have had an absolutely fantastic day and a half up here so far, and we've got lots more riding to do for kind of the back half of today. And then tomorrow's plan will be probably a little bit bigger crew, and we're going to head up to the Abitibi Canyon. So again, that's another one of our favorites up here that we like to do. Now we're just going to squeeze it. This is such a great trail. Honestly, I've been putting some miles on the new 850 XRS, and I have to say that Skidoo has absolutely hit it out of the park with this machine. I had an 18 XRS before, which I put about 10,000K on, and absolutely love that sled, and that's why I ordered another one. But some of the small improvements that they've made on the 2021s, honestly, after putting, I've got almost 1,000 kilometers on it already, really noticed some of those differences, and I'm really enjoying them. For me, firstly, the new gauge, I mean, I know even though I can't do the mapping and I've got my Garmin Zumo, I still love the gauge. I mean, it's fantastic. It gives me all the information that I want. It looks good, very easy to use. And the handling of the sled, I've been playing around with it a little bit. It's not 100%, but out of the box, it's definitely the best I've ever had, for sure. They really knocked it out with this one. Honestly, if you guys haven't been up here, we really love the Cochrane area. I'm sure if you've seen some of our other videos, we talk a lot about Cochrane. We're buddies with Kenny Johnson, who runs the club up here. Cap Club, all do great job with grooming. Trails are obviously fantastic, and you can really crank on the miles up here. Oh, that was just superb. All right, so we're now at the Moonbeam Clubhouse, reunited with the rest of the crew, and we're gonna be heading back to, where are we going?
Where do you think we're going?
We're going to Cochrane.
Yeah, we might stop for at the fire tower on the way back.
All right, cool. So let's do it. Yeah. So we reunited with the guys, and Gord, one of his buddies, came up and actually brought him an extra sled, so he's been able to recover and ride for the rest of the trip, which is great. And there goes Andrew. And we're gonna rip back to Cochrane. Beautiful, beautiful conditions. Where's Jess? Gone? Way back.
If you liked that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sled Addicts YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiles. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.